When I tell you, honey, if you are in the tri-state area close to this Dollar Tree, you want to get here as soon as possible. Honey, they are delivering. You know, when I got these on, you know this Dollar Tree walkthrough haul is finna be fire. Fire, that is. And today we are in Nutley, New Jersey, delivering. Okay. This next item, when I seen this, I was just like, oh my goodness. Let me know in the comment section, have you guys seen this? So this is the Natural Sense Kids Rosemary Hair Protection Gently Daily Spray that fresh for kids, not for lice. Made with rosemary, citronella, and tea tree oil. Oh my goodness. It smells just like citronella, just like the candles. This smells absolutely divine. For $1.25, we call this a steal deal like Holyfield. You get what I'm saying? Honey, okay, so we tried these last time, and I did say, those colors, how they say yellow 7 and yellow 8. Normally I stay away from them, but Dollar Tree has brought these back, the glitter body wash. Oh my goodness. Now, they have a few of these. Check this out. Honey, look at this. So they have the pink shimmer, the purple shimmer, the gold shimmer. Dollar Tree is out here moving and grooving, honey. $1.25. So they have items like this, child. This is the Starry Eyes Brightening Under Eye Mask. And you don't only get one pair, 5 pairs. How about what 5 masks? Honey, for $1.25? Shit. They also have the ICU Hydrating Under Eye Mask with rose extract. They also have the Hollow Hydration Plumping Lip Mask. You get 5 of these for $1.25 as well. Honey, they delivering. Honey, just like when I'm about to head out, I'm like, oh my goodness, they have so many new finds. I keep on seeing new, and new. Okay, have you guys seen this? This is the Keep Smiling Lip Mask. Now, you get 5 of these for $1.25. Yes, yes, yes. Dollar Tree also have this Sunday Rain So Clean Body Mask Charcoal. This is the only one I seen. Let us know in the comment section, have you guys seen this? This is $1.25. Honey, they just not playing out here. I tell you, there's so many goodies, so many major finds at Dollar Tree in Nutley, New Jersey. Check this out. Now, Dollar Tree has this chill, soothing foot cream with aloe and peppermint. Now, I have used this brand, and it was really, really good. They have a foot cream that has brown sugar in it. I think it's a scrub. Oh my goodness, absolutely divine. This is $1.25. They have so many new finds. Check this out. Now, other items that Dollar Tree has is the Enzyme Oil Cleanser. Now, this is the Glass Skin Glow. They also have this one as well. This serum for smooth, radiant, and dewy skin. This is the spray. And then they also have the treatment, AHA treatment essence for smooth, radiant, and dewy skin. Exfoliate. And of course, Dollar Tree is always going to give you, 4 of these things. Okay. This is the Peptide Jelly Moisturizer for smooth, radiant, and dewy skin as well. Protect Glass Skin Glow. This is $1.25, Joe. All right, my love. So today we are at the Dollar Tree in Nutley, New Jersey. Ooh, child, they got some new finds. New finds. Let me know in the comment section, did you guys see these? Now, these are chalk pencils. I never even heard of chalk pencils. Now, you get 6 of these for $1.25. Honey, is much more where that came from. Now, another item that I just came across is this. I'm like, what in the world? So, Dollar Tree has these ramen sticky notes. You get 100 of these for $1.25. And let me tell you something. This is actually my first time seeing ramen sticky notes. Who knew? Now, of course, Dollar Tree still has the Wicked Berry Scented Hand Cream. They have different ones. I think it's like 3 different ones. They also have the Watermelon Scented. And then, oh, child, I could get it out. And then they also have the Strawberry Scented, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have this Revive Naturally Moisturizer. This is Nourishing Body Spray, fragrance-free, targets dry skin, $1.25. Now, I love me a good pair of socks. If you don't know, honey, Dollar Tree has the Paws Bear Paw socks. Now, normally they sell this at TJ Maxx, and I had bought some beer paw socks from TJ Maxx. In fact, I think I have them on right now, child. Okay, now these beer paw socks, these are very thick, and I believe those was like $7. It came 5 pairs. Now these are kind of thin at the bottoms, but honey, beer paw socks, 10 of these, and these are, I believe, $5. Now they come in different colors. They have the all blue and white. Then they also have the pink theme going on. These are really, really nice. Now, of course, Dollar Tree also have the Onyx Bath Health, the Beach Vacay Foam and Body Scrub, daiquiri with coconut oil. This is $1.25. And they also have the Eczema Relief Body Lotion. Now, I did use this for my youngest children, and this was really good for $1.25. That's a steal deal, like Holyfield. Another item Dollar Tree has is the Tea Tree Oil Balancing Face Wash. This is $1.25. Now, when I purchased this a while ago, and I was like, oh my goodness, it don't get that, foamy. And it was a lady who I met. She said that it's not supposed to get that foamy because the tea tree oil and it's lalic honey acid. You know what the word says, okay? She said, but this is really, really good. Who knew? Now, Dollar Tree also have these heat protectants over here. Hair mist for all hair types. Pro Vitamin B, grapeseed extract. Grapeseed oil is really good, especially like for your hair and also for your body. That's what I normally would use, like to put lotion on that and coconut oil. Now, another great find as well is the Smooth Retinol Repair Face and Body Oil Night Smooth Renewal. And then, of course, this. I had purchased this a few days ago, and honey, I am impressed. Love this, $1.25. Now, another fun find Dollar Tree has is these storage cubes. Okay, you get like 4 slots. This is $1.25, I believe, and this is so great to have. T-shirts, socks, little hand towels, washcloths. Honey, you can put all in here. All right, love this. Now, another find that the girls in the Dollar Tree street said was really good is the diaper pill spray, clean and plant-derived ingredients, lavender and bergamot. Now, this is $1.25. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Honey, they had so many amazing finds. Oh, my goodness. Like, all their lip masks, absolutely amazing. And for the simple fact that you get 5 for $1.25, so good. Honey, they out here delivering, not Lee Dollar Tree, okay? You're doing your thing like a chicken wing, okay? And with that being said, let us know in the comment section, what are you guys on the lookout for? And what are some of the items that you recently purchased that you absolutely love? Until next time, peace.